누구는 tonight 와서 너와 supposed to be different tone. 와서 누만ai 누만ai when I akonai watu numalakanai la yakoso how lakinoa lakinoa nakona lakoso no wakonai how lakonai Yalakunai. So this is my beautiful people. This is my epicenter where I sing when no one is at home. Home alone, home alone. How are you guys doing? This is today's beautiful day. Maybe you want to see it. Let's see. I can show you. I can show you maybe. Let's see. Oh my God. Look at those clouds. Look at those mountains over there. With the snow. Okay. So, and look at those clouds. What's going on here? Like a half of the sky is the cloud. And half of the sky is no clouds. Let's see if we can see horses. But look at this. What is there? You see? This animal? Say something. Sometimes they do like something like this, you know. Oh, there is the horse over there. See? Horse standing over there. This is country life. You can hear country life right now. Very beautiful energy today. So for those 3 days, which is yesterday, today, and tomorrow, Friday, kra, kra, kra. That means I'm gonna say the truth, huh? The mystery, you see, he's doing this kra, kra, kra. What that means? That mystery is about to show us the new way. We discover something in those 3 days. So the energy is kind of like 1 hour you think this way and the other hour you think different way. So it's gonna be for like from yesterday, today and tomorrow. So just observe and follow your feelings, because your feelings actually will tell you the truth. Okay? Your feelings actually telling you the truth. But to be sure, just if you want to do any decision, do kind of like, you know, change your life. Oh, look, it's actually flying. You see? Can you see it? It's flying. See? Was hidden in the tree. So any kind of decision, just make sure that you're doing the right decision, but you need to feel it from your heart, what you're feeling. You see? Another one is flying here. It's going to the gate. You see? Another confirmation. This is what I'm saying is true. So, my beautiful people, lots of love I'm sending you. And just listen. Listen. What is spirit, your spirit is telling you. Listen to the spirit. You can walk. You can go for a walk. And sometimes do not listen anybody, just listen to yourself inside, you know. Listen to the nature. For example, if you think of something and then you get confirmation from the nature, is it true or not true? You know what I mean?